Hey buddy, how's it going over there? They're all coming. You know, that's what I've got going on. It's like pancakes. So, just cooking this up with a little bit of barbecue sauce. These are the last ones. That's what I got already, and then I usually vacuum seal them and freeze them again. I just gotta get the flip because these guys are good. Look at that. Marbleized. It's actually the Stubbs barbecue sauce. And let that finish off. And we're done. Alright. Okay, so I cooked those steaks over there that I sliced off that ham roll, and got that barbecue sauce kind of like just burning onto the bottom of this pan, so I'll use this, spatula, and I do use like a light soak just to break it up a little bit, but it'll be reseasoned. So right now I'm gonna like dice this up into little quarters, and do an egg thing in that pan when I've got it all set up. So what I really mean is like dice the whole thing up, and any big chunks left over, eat them. Done with the spatula. I'm gonna clean this up and get it seasoned. So I just wanted to get that all leveled down again, and I'm going to pour some olive oil in here and let that heat up. And I've got all this ham that I cooked in that before, ready, diced up, and I'm going to start doing the eggs. So this is 5 eggs, garlic, like I think I put 3 cloves in there. I keep my garlic in this little pan above my stove. I got black pepper. I didn't put any turmeric in, but I have basil and paprika, and I'm gonna mix this up really good. I'll probably put the turmeric in while I'm cooking. I should put it in right now, but I wanted to get to the point where I'm just gonna throw this in, and then I'm gonna throw that in with it. And I think I have enough herbs in here right at the moment, so I just want to make sure these yolks are all beaten up really good. Smoothed up a bit. And that's just the paprika. And here we go. Let that go for a second. I'm going to put this in next. And we're just gonna cook right now. I'll fold it a little bit. And like turn it over. I could put some cheese in here right now too. That would be nice. I don't have time. Well, I do, but for this video, this is the basic premise of what it is. And then I'm going to turn the heat down I'm going to turn it off. Final plate on this one is, you could put like onions or whatever you want in there. I'm putting a little sriracha on there, and I'm good. And that's it. I got some more on the plate there. Have a good night, everyone. Later.